How to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up the wallet app on your iOS device, and after that open up the Apple Cash Card, and after that you will be able to find the three dots at the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it. Now select the option of transfer bank. Now you need to enter the amount and click on next. After that, select the option whether you want the instant withdrawal to your bank account or you want it in 1 to 3 business days. Just select it accordingly, and after that click on transfer and confirm that particular transfer. This way you would be able to transfer the money from your Apple Pay to your bank account. Now we can transfer this particular money to our Cash App from our bank account, and for that you will have to open up your Cash App. On your Cash App, just simply click on the option of Cash In by going on to the home screen. I cannot go there, otherwise the screen will turn black and you won't be able to see it. So simply click on the option of Cash In after adding the bank account or linking your bank account to Cash App. In case if you want to see how you can do it, let me show you. For this, you will have to open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner. Now scroll down and click on the option of linked banks. Now click on the option of link debit card. This way you can use your debit card details to add it up over here. In case if you don't have the debit card, simply click on the option of no card and wait for it to load. After that, click on this option of continue, then wait for it to load, and this way you would be able to see a different list of banks. Simply search for your bank and link it up to your Cash App. Now when you try to cash in on Cash App, you would be receiving the funds from your bank account, and that's how you would be transferring money from your Apple Pay to Cash App, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.